Want to make more money? Of course you do. Everyone dreams of financial freedom and a comfortable lifestyle. Who doesn't want a fatter paycheck? It's a universal desire to earn more and live better. But here's the thing, just wanting it isn't enough. You need high-income skills. These are the skills that set you apart in the job market. These are skills that are in high demand, and employers are willing to pay top dollar for them. They are the key to unlocking higher earnings. Think of it like this. High-income skills are like superpowers in the job market. They give you an edge over others. They give you an edge, making you more valuable and sought after. Employers are always on the lookout for top talent. And the best part? You can learn these skills. With dedication and the right resources, anyone can acquire them. In today's competitive job market, having the right skills is more critical than ever. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. It's not just about a degree anymore. Real-world skills and practical knowledge are what count. It's about what you can do. Your ability to perform and deliver results is what matters most. High-income skills can be your ticket to a better job, higher salary, and more financial security. They open doors to new opportunities. So are you ready to boost your earning potential? The journey starts with learning and improving your skills. Let's dive into the world of high-income skills. Together, we can explore the skills that will transform your career and your life. Let's talk about ChatGPT. It's not just a fancy chatbot, it's your secret weapon for learning high-income skills. ChatGPT is powered by artificial intelligence, and it can do some pretty amazing things. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7. That's ChatGPT. It can answer your questions, explain complex concepts, and even help you practice your skills. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you identify your strengths, find learning resources, and stay updated on the latest industry trends. It's like having a personal coach and mentor all rolled into one. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection, so no more excuses. ChatGPT can empower you to take control of your learning and unlock your full potential. Okay, let's talk about the skills that will make you some serious cash in 2024. Whether you're looking to switch careers or just want to boost your current income, these skills are worth considering. The job market is constantly evolving, so you need to stay ahead of the game. Keeping your skills updated is crucial in this fast-paced world. Here are a few hot skills to consider. These are not just trends, they are shaping the future of work. Software development. Everyone's going digital, and that means businesses need skilled developers to build websites, apps, and software. From front-end to back-end development, the opportunities are endless. Data science. Data is the new gold. Companies need data scientists to analyze data, find trends, and make smart decisions. Mastering data analytics can open doors to various industries. Digital marketing. Want to reach millions of people online? Digital marketing skills are in high demand, from SEO to social media marketing. Understanding digital strategies can significantly boost your career. Artificial intelligence (AI) is changing everything. Learning AI skills like machine learning can lead to some seriously high-paying jobs. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology. Cybersecurity. As our world becomes more digital, cybersecurity professionals are crucial for protecting sensitive data and systems. With cyber threats on the rise, this skill is more important than ever. Remember, this is just a starting point. The best skills for you will depend on your interests and career goals. Take the time to explore and invest in your future. Feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Don't worry, ChatGPT can help you choose the right skill for you. It's like having a career counselor in your pocket. Here's how it works. First, tell ChatGPT about your interests. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy learning? Next, share your career goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? What kind of lifestyle do you want? ChatGPT will then analyze your input. It will consider your interests, goals, and the current job market to suggest skills that align with your aspirations. Think of ChatGPT as your personal career matchmaker. It can help you find skills that are both in demand and personally fulfilling. Section 5. Your personalized roadmap to success. ChatGPT creates your learning plan. Now that you've got some skills in mind, it's time to create a learning plan. But forget about those generic, one-size-fits-all plans. ChatGPT can help you create a personalized roadmap to success. Here's the deal. First, tell ChatGPT what skill you want to learn. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better. Next, specify your learning style. Do you prefer videos, articles, or hands-on exercises? Maybe a mix of all three? And then, set a realistic time frame. How much time can you dedicate to learning each week? Consistency is key. ChatGPT will generate a customized learning plan just for you, tailored to fit your schedule and preferences. It can recommend online courses, books, tutorials, and even connect you with online communities. The possibilities are endless. It's like having a personal assistant who curates the best learning resources based on your unique needs. Your journey to mastering new skills starts here. Section 6. From Theory to Reality, using ChatGPT for hands-on learning. Okay, you've got the knowledge, now what? Time to put it into practice. ChatGPT can help you go beyond the theory and gain real-world experience. Here's how to use ChatGPT for hands-on learning. Practice coding challenges. Learning to code. ChatGPT can generate coding challenges to test your skills. Get feedback on your writing. Want to improve your writing skills? ChatGPT can provide feedback on your grammar, style, and clarity. Simulate real-world scenarios. ChatGPT can create realistic scenarios to help you apply your skills in practical situations. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use your skills, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Section 7. Stay ahead of the curve. ChatGPT keeps you on top of trends. The job market is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, skills become obsolete, and industries shift. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for staying updated. Ask about industry trends. Curious about the latest trends in your field? ChatGPT can provide insights and analysis. Discover new technologies. ChatGPT can keep you informed about emerging technologies and their potential impact on your industry. Identify skills gaps. ChatGPT can help you identify any skills gaps in your current skill set so you can stay competitive. By staying informed and adaptable, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing job market and seize new opportunities. Section 8. ChatGPT, your career counselor for job market insights. Looking for a new job? ChatGPT can be your personal career counselor, providing valuable job market insights. Here's how ChatGPT can help. Research companies. Want to work for a specific company? ChatGPT can provide information about their culture, values, and hiring practices. Analyze job descriptions. ChatGPT can help you understand the skills and qualifications employers are looking for. Craft compelling resumes and cover letters. ChatGPT can help you tailor your resume and cover letter to specific job descriptions, highlighting your most relevant skills and experiences. With ChatGPT's insights, you can approach your job search with confidence and increase your chances of landing your dream job. Section 9. Unlock your earning potential with ChatGPT. There you have it. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can help you unlock your earning potential in 2024 and beyond. From identifying high-income skills to creating personalized learning plans and providing job market insights, ChatGPT can empower you to take control of your career and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring ChatGPT today and discover the endless possibilities it holds for your future success.